Okay, are you good? Yes or no? Yes, I think I heard mostly yeses, and that is awesome. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice adding. Now, we have practiced adding up to 5. We've done it up to 10. Well, guess what? Today we are going to practice going over 10. It's going to be awesome. So, you will need your helper, which is the grown up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. You will need this, super, super important. You will need the double 10 frame mat. So we just have a red circle, a blue circle, 2 little lines. We have a giant green, kind of like a big box. And then we have 2 10 frames because we don't want to mix up those numbers, because when we're counting above 10, it can get a little bit tricky into those teen numbers. And then, of course, you're going to need 20 of something to count with, at least 20. So I'm just going to use little erasers, but you might use pennies. Those are a really good size, or just really teeny small toys like maybe Shopkins or paper clips, something just small. So you will need 20 of those. So go ahead and have your helper get your supplies and meet me back here so we can check our schedule. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule. We only have one job today. We are going to practice adding, but we're going to go over 10. It's going to be amazing. And when we get to the star, we'll be all done. So let's get adding. Okay, friends, make sure you have your double 10 frame adding mat and your counters. And you know what? If you don't have your double 10 frame adding mat, that is okay. You can still follow along. Just use your counters. No problem. Okay, friends, here we go. This is our first big math problem. Here we go. Ooh, okay. So we have 10 plus 1 equals, okay, so I'm going to set this here. So we know it's 10 plus 1. So my red is 10. So I'm going to put 10 counters in my circle. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, your turn. Yes, awesome. Okay, now, how many are we going to put in the blue circle? You're right, just 1. 1 goes in the blue circle. Okay, there we go. 1 is in there. Now, we have to bring them all down because we're adding them together. Our number will be big. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now we need to put each one of these into one of our boxes. And we're going to start at the top. So I'm going to put all of mine in. I'm going to fill up this whole box. Watch this. And then look, I ran out of space, but look, I still have an extra one. So I need to go to the first box and the next one. Okay, you move yours down and put them in, and then we are going to count together. Awesome. Okay, friends, now we are going to count all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10 plus 1 equals, oh yeah, you got it, 11. 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Yes. Now, let me show you a sneaky trick real quick. We already know this is a 10 frame. This means there's 10 in this whole little rectangle here. If we want to, we can always go, oh, this is all full, so I know that's 10, 11. I skipped counting each one individually, and I just went, oh, all that's full, so 10, 11. So once we get past touching each one, we can start to make those connections and say, oh, filled up. I know that means 10, 10, 11. And that will be awesome. But for this video, we're going to keep counting individually. Just wanted to show you that super awesome sneaky trick. Okay, let's see what our next problem is. Here we go. Ooh, 10 plus 3 equals, okay, 10 plus 3. Okay, I'm going to put this here so we can see it. And I know my red circle is going to need 10 counters. So let's do this together now. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, do we have 10? Do you have 10 in your red circle? Oh, good. Okay, now, how many will we put in our blue circle? What number? Yep, you got it. 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Do you have 3 in your blue circle? Awesome. Okay, now we have to move all these down. Let's move them. Here we go. Okay, now we know we have to start with the top 10 frame, so let's put each one in. Here we go. And let's go ahead and count them while we're doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow. Okay, that was awesome. Let's count it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, yeah, you got it. 13. 13. Okay, friends, ready? Let's read our math sentence. 10 plus 3 equals, yes, you're right, 13. 13. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Woo! Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, friends, here we go. Ooh, and look at this. I changed my counters. I don't have eggs anymore. Now I have cute little chocolate bunnies. Thought that would be fun to switch it up. Okay, here we go. Our next problem is, ooh, okay, so we have a different number to start with now. 12 plus 3 equals, okay, 12 plus 3 equals, okay, let's put that right there. And now we need 12 to go in our red circle. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. Get your counters. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness. Okay, do you have 12 counters in your red circle? Yes. Okay, now, how many do we need to put in the blue circle? You got it. 3. Only 3. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Do you have 3 in your blue circle? Yes. Okay, now we know what we got to do. We got to bring them down. Here we go. All of them. Okay, now we're going to fill up our 10 frames. Let's do it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, you're right. 15. 15. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's count that one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, friends, here we go. 12 plus 3 equals, oh yeah, you got it, 15. 15. 12 plus 3 equals 15. Yes, and real quick, the super sneaky way, we know this is 10. Okay, so we know 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness, that was the sneaky way. Okay, friends, let's see what our last problem is. Whoa, okay, 19 plus 1 equals, okay, 19 plus 1 equals, okay, let's put that right here. Okay, now we have to put how many in the first circle? You're right, 19. Okay, here we go. 19 in the circle. Here we go. I'm going to move this a little closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh my goodness, that is so many counters. 19 counters. Wow. Okay, friends, how many go in the blue circle? You're right, just one. And guess what? We have one left. Thank goodness. Okay, ready? Bloop. 1. Here we go. 1 in the blue circle. Blue circle. Silly Mrs. Huey. Okay, friends. Now, we know what we have to do. We have to move all of them down. Here we go. Okay, and now we know we have to put them in the 10 frames. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, you're right. 20. 20. Oh my goodness, that is so many counters. Okay, 19 plus 1. Okay, let's count it one more time. We have to double check our work. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, we did it. Oh my goodness, friends. 19 plus 1 equals, you got it, 20. 20. Okay, 19 plus 1 equals 20. Wow. And, oh, here we go. Sneaky, sneaky. We know there's 10 here. We know there's 10 here. Guess what? We can just count by 10s and go 10, 20. Super awesome sneaky trick. So fun. Adding can be so much fun. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Yes! Oh my goodness, that was amazing adding. We were going way over 10. We even went up to 20. It was awesome. And I love that we took our time putting each counter in those boxes to make sure that we did not double count or mix up our numbers. So let's check that off. Ready? Check. Okay. Oh, and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye.